How's it going, guys? Today I'll be installing a new fender from Dirty Bike. It's nice and green. It's much wider and longer than this Top Peak Defender fender that I installed earlier. It's a good fender, but it's just not good for my use. So I'll be installing this big, huge, massive fender. As you can tell, I have the RST Forks, and this is supposed to be for the DNM Forks. All right, let's get to it. Okay, let me just remove. Wrong way. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. See, I held it together with some zip ties. It's still a good fender. Okay, open this up. Oh yeah. Comes with some hardware that I am not going to use. Okay, using these U-bolts. Oh, here. 1-inch U-bolts. Let's put it in here. Okay, I'm going to push it all the way back. So I'm going to go just like this. Okay, now that I got my little marking over here, I can drill it out. Hopefully it's straight enough. We'll find out. Oops. All right. Okay, let's test fit it. Oh yeah, that'll work just great. Okay, now put this on. But it's rocking. So I'm gonna make a little curvature. I'm gonna use a socket 1 1/16 to get the curvature of the earth. Okay, that should be pretty good. Some tread lock on here. Here we go. Lost a nut.
And guess what, my leaf float's still here.
Alright guys, there it is installed. And if you want to, you can spray paint these brackets over here. But I'm not. It's shiny. So that's how it looks. And I know it looks a little funny with the green in the front and black in the back, but you can get the set. I believe the set, front, rear, and the shock mud guard over here on a complete set, but I didn't. The bikes are unique, and there's a lot of Sur Rons now up where I ride. Oh, and there's my daughter's bike. I lowered it a little bit. I'll probably make another video on that one day when the rear shock comes in, make it a little bit lower. I think I did a better job on my daughter's bike than mine. Yeah. So check out that coverage. Compared to this. All right. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Aloha and take care. And remember, if I can do it, you could probably do it better. Have a good one. And one more thing, big shout out goes to my friend Dan. Thank you very much for letting me know about this. Appreciate it very much. Aloha.